Hey guys, Steve Power here. Today is April 7, 2021. It's 1 o'clock p.m. and they should be sounding this. I hope they don't fail me this time. It's not at 1 o'clock on the dot they do it, but they do it probably after 1, but I have faith we're going to do it today. I've been doing it every month lately. I hope this one goes off with it. I think it does. And there's a couple talking sirens. Trying to listen for the talking ones. They're not on time, so be patient. Keep your ears open for the talk. I'm gonna go over here. Keep your ears open for the talking one, so I know when they're gonna go off. I hear the ones. They say this is a test. That's all I know. 101 right now. They should be starting. Always wanted to do a close-up, so today should be my day. Plus they fail us again, but last time I tried to get this, they failed us. Let me go over here. I'm trying to listen for the talking ones, that's why I'm going over here. I'm not going too far away though. They do go off for a good 2 minutes. I can get my way back to when they start. Probably like 105. But don't you worry. It'll be going off, I hope. Oh, it's gonna be 80 degrees today too. Let's go back over there. $102 now. Be patient, guys. It's not 1 o'clock on the dot. We'll do a little bit after. Unless they fail us again, but doubt they're gonna fail us. You will be surprised to hear this thing. This is a Thunderbolt 2001, I believe. It was a Faro Signal 2001 actually. But let's see if any cars are coming. They better do them. It's the first Wednesday of the month, that's when they do them. We just sit right here. Just gonna sit right here. I feel sick. That's because I ate too much beef jerky. 103 now. If they're gonna go off, they better go off now. Oh gosh, please don't fail me again. I will be pissed if they don't do it today. Gosh. They're late all the time too, so. I know my date's right, it's the first Wednesday, so. 103. Yeah. Watch, they'll fail me again. Fire's coming. Thought I heard something. $104 now. They would do it between 104 and 105. Unless they fail. I think I hear something talking. I think they're gonna go. Oh, it's warm out here. 105. Kinda don't like this. Sometimes they're not doing it again. Don't tell me they're not doing it again. Are you freaking serious? Go this way. They might not do it. I'm gonna shut the camera off until it comes on. Maybe it'll come on a way of feel.